Hello guys, today we are going to do the body part of the screw jack. First, select the sketch option and select the front plane. Now, do the rough diagram of the sketch. Click the offset command and click on the single. Select this. Keep the distance as 10. Click on the green button and click here. You will get a line parallel to the line that uh, at a distance of 10 mm. Now connect this line with this. Trim out the excess part and complete the remaining drawing. Now take the measurements that are given in the details of screw jack. Now assign the given dimensions to the diagram. First we'll go with the base, that is 140 at the total. As we are doing only the half section, we will be giving it as 70. This would be 100 and as the half section it would be 50. And this would be 50. This would be 33. Do not be confused with the shape, it will be correct again. Click this as 25. This would be 35. This would be 40. This would be 20 and this would be 185. And last but not the least, this would be 3. Now fit the diagram. We have got the accurate diagram now. Before going to the protrusion, draw a line and use the construction command and click on this. This is to get an access for a revolve protrusion. Now select protrusion command, select the sketch, click on the green tick, select the axis and give 360 degrees of rotation. Finally guys, we have got the required body shape. Yeah, before ending, just give the round option, click on this surface and give the radius as 8. Click on preview. This would be the top view of the section. This would be the front view. This would be the right, left, and finally the isometric view of this body. Click on the finish and save it. Now we would be going ahead with part number 2, that is the nut part. First select the sketch command, then select the front plane. Same as we did with the body, we have to draw a rough diagram. Now take all the dimensions. Now assign all the dimensions that are given in the details of the screw jack. The base would be something around, the total base length is 50, but as we are going to take only half of the section, it will be 25. Same goes with the upper part, 25. This would be 45. The total length of this is 90, and the half would be 45. This is 10. This is also 10. Now give the fillet option to this and this with the radius of 5. Same goes to this. Now total length would be 10. And trim off the extruded part. Now we can go back, click on return, select revolve protrusion command, select the sketch, click on the green tick, select the axis and give 360 degrees of rotation. Now go with the round command. Before that, hide the sketch so that it will not cause any confusion in the further process. Go with the round command, select this option, give the radius as given in the details of the screw jack as 5. Click on preview. It's done. Now we have to make a hole on the top surface. Click on hole command. Click on this. Select the properties. Here it is the threaded hole. Select the threaded option. The diameter would be 38. And the type of thread is TR38 into 7 to the whole extent. Now click on OK. Place it on the center. Go to return and select downward. As you can see, a threaded hole of diameter 38 mm is formed. Now finally, for the finishing, go to round option again, click on this and give radius of 1. Click on preview. Yeah, the part is ready. Now this is the top view, this is the front view, this is the right section, this is the left, this is isometric. Now we would like to go ahead with the part number 3, that is screw spindle. Select the sketch option, go with the front plane, same as we did to the first two parts. First, go with the rough part, rough diagram. Now check all the dimensions. Now assign all the dimensions as given in the details of the screw jack. This would be 240. Don't worry about the sketch, we can make it correct as we go on giving the dimensions. This is 22. As we are going to take only half section, it would be 11. This is 38 in the total, and half of would be 19. This is total 65. Half would be 65 by 2, 32.5. This would be 13. This would be 10. Same goes here, it is 10. This is at an angle of 45 degrees, and same, this is at an angle of minus 45. And another one dimension is from here to here, it's 83. Now, so that it should be equal on both left side and right side, give from this to this as 120. Now we can see all the dimensions are assigned. We can go with the revolve protrusion command, go to return, select revolve protrusion, select the sketch, green tick, select the axis, give 360 degrees of rotation. Now we have got the screw spindle. Now we have to make the holes and we have to assign the thread form. First go with the thread, click on OK, select the part from where you want to start the threading, give the cylindrical extent, and the type of thread is 38 into 7. Click OK, finish. Now you can see the thread form is formed. Now as the body is ready, we have to make the holes. First select the hole option, click on the top surface, then click on the properties of the hole, select threaded, then the diameter is 12, M12 thread, the length of thread would be 30, and we need a V bottom. The hole depth is 35, yeah. The diameter is 12, the thread type is M12, and extent is 30. Everything is done. Click on OK. Select the center point, go back, click the downward option. As you can see, a threaded hole is formed with a V bottom. You can look in the V bottom in the front view of the section here. As you can see, the body is ready, but still we have to make a hole. Click on the sketch option and select the front plane. Now make a hole of diameter 12, and it should be at a distance of 35. Sorry, make a hole of diameter 12. Now the distance from this to this is 35. Go to return, go to isometric view, select the cutout command, select the sketch, green tick, and give the symmetric extent. Now as you can see, hole is formed. Hide the sketch. Now the body part is completely ready. This is the top view, this is the front view, isometric. Now let's go ahead with the fourth part, that is cup. Select the sketch, select the front plane, draw the rough diagram of the sketch. Select the offset command, give the length as 6. Select single, select this part, click on green tick and click here. Join these two lines, trim off the excess part, complete the rough diagram. Trim off this part. Now we have got the rough diagram of the sketch. Assign all the dimensions. Now give the dimensions as it is given in the details of screw jack. The base, the one part of the base is 45 diameter, but as we are going to take only half part, then it would be 45 by 2. This is 45 by 2. This is 22.5 by 2. This is 12. The height of the cup is 42. The distance of this is 38 by 2. Yeah, all the dimensions are set. Now draw a line on this plane. And use the construction command and give this construction line. Go to return, select revolve protrusion, select the sketch, on green tick, select the axis, give the rotation as 360 degrees, hide the sketch. Now we have to make a hole of radius 5. Select the sketch, select the front plane, zoom the area, draw a circle at the center of radius 5 and diameter 10. Go to return, select cutout option, click on green tick, select the symmetric extent. Now a cutout is formed. Again we have to do a cutout on the right plane. Same, zoom the area first, give a diameter of circle 10, go to return, again select the cutout, select this sketch, give a symmetric extent, and the cup is formed. This is the top view, this is the front view, this is the right, this is the left, and this is the isometric. Hide the sketches and save the part. Now we are going to do the part number 5, that is washer. Select the sketch, select the top plane. Draw two circles from the origin as a center. Okay. This is the first circle. This is the second circle. Give the radius of first circle, diameter of the first circle as 14.5, and the diameter of second circle is 35. Go to return. Select protrusion command. Select both the circles. Click on green tick and give a protrusion of diameter distance 8. Hide the sketch. Use chamfer. Select this small part and give setback as 5. Click on OK and click on finish. Now we have got a washer. This is top view, this is the front view, and this is the isometric view. Now we are going to do the part number 6, that is screw. Select the sketch, select the front plane, draw the rough diagram of the sketch. Set the dimensions. Assign the dimensions as it is given in the details of the screw track. The base is 6, the top part is 12, this is 6, and this is 30. Now we have got the half section of the screw. Go to the return, select revolve protrusion, select the sketch, click on the green tick, select the axis and give the rotation of 360 degrees. Now hide the sketch. Now go to the sketch and select the front plane, zoom the area. Now we have to make a cutout. Select the rectangle command, make a rectangle of any length and breadth. Set dimensions. Now assign the dimensions as it is given in the details. The depth is 3 and the length is 2. Go with the connect command. Select the midpoint and select this axis, and now go with the collinear command and select this. Now it is placed centrally. Go to the return, select cutout option, select the sketch, click on the green tick, give the symmetric extent. Now the screw of required dimension is formed. This is the top view, this is the front view, this is the right, and this is the isometric view. Now we are going to do the last part of the sketch, last part of the screw jack, that is Tommy bar. Select sketch option, select the right plane. Now draw a circle of diameter 12. Go to return, select protrusion command, select the sketch and give a protrusion of distance 62. Click on OK. Hide the sketch. Now again click on the sketch option and select the end part of the first sketch. Go to circle again, select from the center, draw another circle of radius, diameter 20. Go to return, select protrusion command, select the sketch and give a protrusion of 275 minus 62. Click on enter. Now we have got the body of the Tommy bar. Now we have to chamfer and round the parts. Go to chamfer, select this first part and give a setback of 2. Again select this part and give a setback of 4. Now go to the end part and give the round option of 5. Click on preview. Now we have got the Tommy bar. This is the top view, this is the front, and this is the isometric. Now as we are done with all the parts, now we can go with the assembly. Open the SolidJet, select assembly. As you can see, all the parts are present here. Now summon the first part and the second part. Click on the assembly command, go with axial align, select this part and this part. Need not to worry if it goes inside. Go with assembly pathfinder and select move part and click on the second part. You can move it. Go with the front view, go with visible and hidden edges and move it downwards. Now it is perfectly assembled with the body part. Now again go back and select the third part, that is screw spindle. Again go with the assembly, select the axial align, select cylindrical part and this. Go with the move, bring it downwards. Before that go with the front view, go with visible and hidden edges, bring it downwards, and to detect collision you can opt the detect collision command. As you can see, it is assembled correctly. Now again go back, select the fourth part, go with the assembly, select the axial align, go with the cylinder part of this and this. Again move the part upwards, move the part upwards, go with the front view, go with visible and hidden edges. As you can see, the part is assembled. Now go with assembly, go with axial align, go with the cylindrical part and select the cylindrical part, move it upwards, it is perfectly set now. Go with the top view, Let's go with isometric view. Move it a little. As you can see, it is perfectly set. Now go with the sixth part, summon the nut. Revolve the nut a little. Make it straight. Go with the assembly, go with the axial align. Select this part and select this part. As you can see, it went inside. Need not to worry. Select the move option, select the sixth part, move it at the top. Now go with the visible and this. Now you can see it is properly aligned. Now lastly, summon the seventh part, that is Tommy Bar. Go with the cell align, select the cylindrical part of this and select the cylindrical part of this. Go with the front view or else right section view. If you want to move the part like this, go with the front, move it a little. Now you can see it is assembled, and this is how the assembled part of the screw jack looks. As we have done with the assembly of the screw jack, now we have to convert this 3D to the 2D diagram. First save the file. After saving, select create diagram. Go click OK. Go click on the next. Click on the custom. Close the custom orientation and select the views that you want. Click on finish. Click on this page. Now set up the sheet. It should be A4 with no background. Click on OK. Delete unwanted views. Now bring these two views inside the page. Fit the page. Now you can see the front and the top view. If you want the sectional view, you can go with the cutting plane. Select the diagram. From the center, draw a cutting plane. Click finish and give the sections. Go with the sectional view. Select on the plane. Bring the diagram to the top and click OK. Now you can see the sectional view of the top screw jack.